The next thing we want to look at is the action, which is the height of the strings from the fretboard. If you're not sure a good starting point, I would suggest 2.4 mil on the low E measured at the 12th fret and 1.6 on the high E measured at the 12th fret. Now the way to measure that is just use a steel ruler or a string action ruler like this one, and you want to put the ruler on top of the fret, and you're measuring from the top of the fret to the underside of the string. If you wanted to make adjustments, you would turn the post at the bridge here. This is how you'd adjust action on a tune-o-matic bridge like this. And you would turn this, just make small adjustments as well. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is check the intonation. So intonation is essentially making sure the guitar's in tune with itself. So if you look at the bridge here, you'll see it's on an angle. Now it's angled to compensate for the additional mass of these strings. Now we can make further minor adjustments by adjusting these individual saddles on the bridge itself.